Hi wagon wheelers! Today we're going to make ice cream. The weather has been so beautiful, the sun is finally out, and so we can have something nice and cool. So we're going to make vanilla ice cream today. The ingredients that you're going to need are milk, salt, don't worry, this doesn't go in the ice cream, sugar, vanilla, and some of the tools that we're going to use are going to be measuring spoons, and we're going to use a Ziploc bag, and it calls for using a small Ziploc bag and then a bigger one, like a 4-quart bag, but I don't have a big Ziploc bag, so I'm going to use a container. You can also use a container if you like. So, in our Ziploc bag, we are going to add 1 cup of milk. Oy, oy, oy. So here we go. We're going to do our 1 cup of milk in our bag carefully so you don't spill it. Ta-da! We are going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to close this while I get the vanilla so it won't spill. Put it nice and safe right there. And we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Put this right here. Teaspoon of vanilla. And we are going to use also 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Doing this by yourself is not that easy, you guys. Maybe get some help from your parents. So here we go. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. All right. So now we have our ingredients in here, and we are going to close it. And we're going to mix it. Make sure all the ingredients get mixed together, just like this. So all my ingredients are here. We got vanilla, we got the sugar, we got the milk. Gotta shake it to make it mix all the ingredients together. And I want my vanilla ice cream to be blue. So I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring. You don't have to, but I think Caesar will like it if I colored it. So I'm just going to add just a few drops, not too much. This was my add-on to the recipe. It doesn't really need food coloring, but I would like to color it. I like to make rainbow stuff. So I'm going to close this. Make sure it's nice and tight. You see the blue? Woo! Ta-da! Blue ice cream! Okay, so now I'm going to put this aside, and actually, just to make sure this doesn't spill, I'm going to put it inside another Ziploc bag. I'm going to put it inside this one. I'm going to make sure the air is all out. Okay. And in my container, I'm going to put ice. So this container, I'm putting ice. There goes all my ice. I filled up most of the container, but not all of it. And in here, with this ice, I'm going to put the salt. So you're going to need 4 tablespoons of salt with your ice. Remember, the salt is not for the ice cream, it is for the ice. You may ask, why are we putting salt in the ice? Well, you know, salt makes the ice colder. It kind of melts the ice. It makes it melt a little bit, but it makes it colder. So that was 3, and the last one is 4. Here we go. So we want this ice to be super cold. And now we are going to put our bag with our ice, and we are going to cover it. So if you would have a bigger bag, you would zip it up. But we are going to cover it, and now it's the fun part. Now we get to shake it. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's almost there. It feels mushy, kind of like ice cream. So it feels kind of solid already. So I'm gonna just do 2 more minutes of shaking, and then I will open it. So just 2 more minutes. Close it with my towel, and all right, there it is. Okay. So much better, so much better. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to take the ice cream, and I'm going to pour it into a cup so you can see how it looks. So I've opened it because I think it's ready, and I want to show you what it looks like in here. It feels solid. Look at our ice cream, friends. It looks pretty much like ice cream. Yeah. Get a spoon. You get a Caesar spoon. Well, actually not really. It's just a little spoon. And let me see what it tastes like. Mmm. So yummy. So, I like it. I like it a lot. But, the recipe called for 1/4 cup of sugar. But I think it can use a lot less than that. It's pretty sweet. Alright. I love you all. I'll see you all soon. Bye.